Good morning, students. Already we have completed 7.9 and today the exercise 7.10. So they given evaluate the integrals in the exercise 1 to 8 using substitution. Now exercise 7.10, here we need to solve these problems using substitution. Question number 1, let I equal to integral 0 to 1 x by x square plus 1 into dx. See, such problems cannot be integrated directly, so we need substitution. So let us substitute here. Now put t equal to the denominator x square plus 1. So dt equal to 2x into dx. So 1 by 2 dt equal to x into dx. So we have substitution for t square plus 1 as well as x ds. Whenever you use substitution, change the limit for the new variable, that is t. So this will be the very easiest method. Now look at this xt. So the limits for given for x is 0 and 1. So the lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1. Here where you have substituted t equal to x square plus 1. So when x equal to 0 plus 1, the t becomes 1. When x equal to 1 square 1 plus 1 2. So the t is 2. Now this I become integral, instead of 0 and 1 we have to write 1 to 2. So this is 1 to 2 and divided by the denominator is t. So x square plus 1 is t and x dx becomes 1 by 2 into dt. Now it is 1 by 2 into log of modulus of t within the limit 1 to 2. As per the second fundamental theorem, it is upper limit minus lower limit, that is equal to half into log 2 minus log 1. Log 2 minus log 1. So clearly you know the value of log 1 is 0. So it is log 2 only. So this is 1 by 2 into log 2. So this is the answer. Next to question number 2. Let us consider the given question as I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 root of sin phi into cos power 5 pi d phi. So we cannot integrate directly, so we need for substitution. First let us write this integrand like 0 to pi by 2 into root of sin phi into cos power 4 phi into cos phi into d phi. Now that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 root of sin phi cos square phi the whole square into cos phi into d phi. Now this is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 root of sin phi into 1 minus sin square phi the whole square into cos phi into d phi. So first split it, cos power 4 phi into cos phi, and cos power 4 phi become cos square phi whole square. So cos square phi equal to 1 minus sin square phi the whole square into cos phi d phi. Let us substitute for sin phi. Now put t equal to sin phi. So dt equal to cos phi into d phi. So accordingly I equal to, now we have to change the limit also. This is phi and this is t. When the phi equal to 0, sin 0 becomes 0. when phi equal to pi by 2, when phi equal to pi by 2, sin pi by 2 equal to 1. So, change the limit. So, with this, which is 0 to 1, and sin phi becomes t. So, t power 1 by 2 into 1 minus sin square phi means 1 minus t square the whole square into cos phi d phi equal to dt. So, this is equal to integral 0 to 1 t power 1 by 2 into, so a minus b the whole square, which formula a square plus b square minus 2ab into dt. So, multiply this 0 to 1 t power 1 by 2 plus t power 4 into t power 1 by 2, t power 4 into t power 1 by 2 equal to t power 4 plus 1 by 2 equal to t power 9 by 2. So, this is next one is t power 9 by 2 minus 2 t power 2 into t power 1 by 2 equal to t power 2 into t power 1 by 2 equal to t power 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to t power 5 by 2, 5 by 2. So, it is t power 5 by 2 into dt. Now, this is t power 3 by 2 x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 formula. So, this will become 2 by 3 plus t power 9 by 2 plus 1 equal to 11 by 2, 11 by 2 into 2 by 11 minus 2 into t power 5 by 2 plus 1 means 2 ones are 2 plus 5, 7 by 2 into 2 by 7, 2 by 7, it is 0 to 1. Now, we have upper limit is 1. So, the upper limit equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 11, 2 by 11 minus 2 2s are 4 by 7, 4 by 7 minus lower limit 0, substituting t for 0, this is t for 0, everything is 0. So, this is equal to, now taking LCM, 3 11s are 33 into 7, 231. So, the denominator is 231 and the numerator is 2 into 77, 2 into 77 means 154 and plus 2 into 21, 42 minus 4 into 33, 4 into 33, 12 remainder 132. So, this is equal to 4 plus 2 6, 9, 196 minus 132 divided by 231, which is equal to 64, 64 divided by 231. So, this is the answer for second problem. Question number 3, integral 0 to 1 sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. We know a trigonometric formula, that is trigonometric identity, that is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta equal to sin 2 theta. This is a trigonometric identity. Using this, put x equal to tan theta. So, theta equal to tan inverse of x, first one, and therefore 2x by 1 plus x square will be 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to sin 2 theta. Therefore, let I equal to, assume that I, so I equal to 0 to, we need to substitute. Now, substitute for the intervals. theta x theta when x equal to 0. Here look at here, substitute for x, we have two limits 0 and 1, put x equal to 0, tan inverse of 0 equal to 0. So, theta equal to 0 and put x equal to 1, tan inverse of 1 equal to pi by 4. So, the limits are 0 to pi by 4. Therefore, I equal to 0 to pi by 4. So, this will become sin inverse of, that is 2, instead of this one we put sin 2 theta, and what we have to give for dx. Now, differentiate this function. We have differentiating dx equal to tan theta becomes secant square theta and d theta, secant square theta into d theta. So, instead of dx you write secant square theta into d theta. So, this will become 0 to pi by 4, sin inverse of sin 2 theta becomes 2 theta only, 2 theta into secant square theta into d theta. So, this is I. Now, we need partial integration for this. Let me rub this board. Now, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So, take u equal to theta, dv equal to secant square theta into d theta. So, differentiating u we have du equal to d theta and integrating this v equal to tan theta. Now, I equal to 2 into, that is 2 into first part uv means uv theta tan theta within the limit 0 to pi by 4 minus integral v du, v means tan theta into d theta into d theta within the limit 0 to pi by 4. Now, this is equal to 2 into theta tan theta 0 to pi by 4 minus, so integrating tan theta we have log of modulus of secant theta within the limit 0 to pi by 4. Now, this is equal to 2 into upper limit tan 0 equal to 0, that is pi by 4 tan pi by 4, sorry, pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 equal to 1, and the lower limit is 0, pi by 4 minus 0, and here minus upper limit log of secant pi by 4. Secant pi by 4 equal to root 2. So, log of root 2 minus lower limit, that is log of secant 0 equal to 1. So, log 1 equal to 0, and this is equal to 2 into pi by 4 minus, this can be written as 1 by 2 into log 2, because log root 2 equal to log 2 power 1 by 2. So, which will be 1 by 2 into log 2. So, this way we can write. So, this is 1 by 2 into log 2 and this is 0. So, multiplying by 2 we have that is pi by 2 minus log 2. So, this is the answer. So, finally, we have I equal to pi by 2 minus log 2. So, this is the answer. Question number 4. Integral 0 to 2 x into root of x plus 2 into dx. We need substitution. So, take the part in the square root, we can assume a third variable, that is t. Put t equal to x plus 2. So, x equal to t minus 2. So, put t equal to x plus 2, therefore, x equal to t minus 2, and differentiating we have dt equal to, so it is 1 plus 0 1, so that is equal to dx. Now, we need to change the limit for the new variable, that is x t. The lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 2 for x. So, when you put x equal to 0, t equal to 2, and when you put x equal to 2 plus 2, t equal to 4. Therefore, assume this I equal to this variable. So, this integral, that is I equal to integral 2 to 4. So, this is root of t, that is t power 1 by 2. Instead of root x plus 2, we can put t power 1 by 2, and x become t minus 2 into dx replaced by dt, which is equal to integral 2 to 4. So, t power 1 by 2 into t power 1 equal to t power 3 by 2 minus 2 into t power 1 by 2 into dt. Now, integrating we have, this is t power 3 by 2 plus 1, t power 3 by 2 plus 1 means t power 5 by 2 into 2 by 5 minus 2 into t power 1 by 2 means t power 3 by 2 divided into 2 by 3. This is 2 to 4. Now, the part is 2 power t 5 by 2 divided by 5 minus 2 2s are 4 into t power 3 by 2 divided by 3, 2 to 4. Now, a power 5 by 2 means a square into root a, that means we have a power 2 into a power 1 by 2 equal to a power 2 in plus 1 by 2 equal to a power 5 by 2. So, a power 5 by 2 equal to a square into a, and a power 3 by 2 equal to a into root a. So, please note this. So, this is equal to 2 into t square into root t divided by 5 minus 4 into t into root t divided by 3, 2 to 4, and first substitute the upper limit, that is equal to, first substitute the upper limit 2 into 2 square 4 into root 4 equal to 2 divided by 5 minus 4 into t means 4, sorry, here 2 means 2, t square means 4 square, 4 square is 16, 4 4s are 16, root 4 equal to 2, and here 4 into t means 4 and root t means 2 divided by 3. So, this is upper limit minus lower limit. Minus lower limit 2 into 2 square 4 into root 2, this is divided by 5 minus 4 into 2 into root 2 divided by 3. So, 2 square 2 into 2 square 4 means root 2 divided by 5, 4 into 2 into root 2 divided by 3. This is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 16s are 64 divided by 5 minus 4 4s are 16, 32 divided by 3 and minus, so this part is 8 root 2 divided by 5, 8 root 2 divided by 5 minus 8 root 2 divided by 3. Now this is equal to, by cross multiplication, 3 5s are 15, so 3 64s are 192 minus, this is 160, so 32 into 3 160 minus, here 24 root 2 minus 40 root 2, so 3 8s are 24, 24 root 2 minus 8 5s are 40, 40 root 2 divided by 15. This is equal to, that is 32, 32 divided by 15 minus 24 minus 40 means minus 16, minus 16 root 2 by 15. So minus into minus plus, plus 16 root 2 divided by 15. Now we can take 16 root 2 as common. Now take 16 by 15, 16 by 15 as common. This is 2 by 2 plus root 2 divided by 2 plus root 2. 16 by, if we take 16 by 15 as common, this will become 2 plus root 2, or even if you can take root 2 as common, that will be 16 root 2 by 15 into root 2 plus 1. So this is the answer. So either of this you can write, either 15 by 16 by 15 into 2 plus root 2, or 16 root 2 divided by 15 into root 2 plus 1. This will be the question number 5. Assume the integrand, let I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x into dx divided by 1 plus cos square x. Now substitute for cos x, therefore the derivative will be sin x and dx. So put t equal to cos x, dt equal to minus dt equal to sin x into dx. Change the limit for the new variable x t. We are given two limits, 0 and pi by 2. When x equal to 0, t become 1. When x equal to pi by 2, t become 0. So cos 0 equal to 1, so t equal to 1. Cos pi by 2 equal to 0, so t equal to 0. So I will be integral 1 to 0, this is 1 by 1 plus cos square x means t square into dx means sin x dx means minus dt, minus dt. This is minus 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse of x, therefore tan inverse of t, that is 1 to 0. Now this is equal to minus upper limit, that is tan inverse of 0 minus tan inverse of 1. This is equal to minus of tan inverse of 0, tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4. So the answer is pi by 4. Next question number 6. Let I equal to 0 to 2 dx divided by x plus 4 minus x square. X plus 4 minus x square equal to minus of x square minus x minus 4. This can be written as minus 4 into x square minus x. By completing the square method, the coefficient of x is 1 by 2, that is coefficient of x is 1, half of it is 1 by 2, squaring that plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 4, that is equal to minus of x minus 1 by 2 the whole square and minus 17 by 4, minus 17 by 4. This is equal to root 17 by 2 the whole square and minus of x minus 1 by 2 the whole square. So, the I can be written as integral 0 to 2 1 by root 17 by 2 the whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 the whole square into dx. Now, the formula we have integral 1 by a square minus x square into dx equal to 1 by 2a into log of modulus of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c, and substitute here a means root 17 by 2 and x means x minus 1 by 2. Now, apply these values in the suitable place and compute for the values 0 to 2, and finally we will be getting the answer. So, the remaining part I expect everyone to do as your own. Thank you. Next question number 7. Assume I equal to integral minus 1 to 1 dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 5. Now, x square plus 2x plus 5 can be written as x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 4. So, this will be x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square. We know a formula integral 1 by x square plus a square into dx equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. So, accordingly I equal to integral dx divided by first one, this can be written as x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square into dx. Now, this is equal to 1 by a, 1 by a means 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x by a means x plus 1 by 2. So, it is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here a equal to 2 and x equal to x plus 1. So, and the limits are minus 1 to 1. So, it is minus 1 to 1. This is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of upper limit. If it is 1 means 1 plus 1 2 by 2 1 minus tan inverse of, that is minus 1 means 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 by anything 0. So, this is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4. So, that is equal to pi by 8. The answer is pi by 8. Next question number 8. Assume that let I equal to integral 1 to 2 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square into e power 2x into dx. We know a formula integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So, by the way, we have to change like this, and by substituting 2x equal to t. Now, put t equal to 2x. Therefore, dt equal to 2 into dx, or 1 by 2 dt equal to dx. Now, we have to change the limit also. X t, the limits are 1 and 2, here 1 and 2. When x equal to 1, t equal to 2, when x equal to 2, 2 2s are t equal to 4. Therefore, we can write I equal to 2 to 4, that is, now t equal to 2x means x equal to t by 2 and 1 by x equal to 2 by t. So, 1 by x equal to 2 by t. So, here it is 2 by t and let f of t equal to 2 by t. Therefore, f dash of t becomes minus 2 by t square, that is 2 as a common, differentiating 1 by t equal to minus 1 by t square. So, already we have got 2. So, this is minus 1 by x equal to 2 by t. So, 1 by x square equal to, so squaring on both sides 4 by t square, and 1 by 2x square equal to 4 by 2 t square, that is 2 by t square. So, this is 2 by t square into e power t into, that is dt. So, dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. So, we put 1 by 2 here. Now, this is in the form of e power x, this is e power x, and this is f of t, and this is f dash of t. So, it is the value is 1 by 2 into e power t into f of t, that is 2 by t, 2 to 4. Now, let us write the answer. 1 by 2 into upper limit substituting e power 4 and 2 by 4 into 2 by 4 minus lower limit e power 2 into 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So, this is 1, this is 1 by 2, and we can take e power 2 as common, that is e power 2 divided by 2 equal to, here 1 by 2 already here, this is e power 2 by 2 minus 1, and we can take LCM, that is e power 2 by 4 into e power 2 minus 2. So, this is the answer, e power 2 by 4 into e power 2 minus. Next question number 9, the value of the integral, assume that I equal to integral 1 by 3 to 1 x minus x cube whole power 1 by 3 divided by x power 4 into dx. Let us simplify this, x minus x cube divided by x power 4 equal to, so take x cube as common. So, x cube means it will be 1 by x square. So, x cube by 1 by x 1 into 1 by x square becomes x. So, minus 1 divided by x power 4 and x minus x cube whole power 1 by 3 divided by x power 4 equal to x cube into 1 by x square minus 1 the whole cube whole power 1 by 3 divided by x power 4. Now, applying 1 by 3 on power 1 by 3 on both sides for the two values, this will become x into 1 by x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 divided by x power 4, and this is equal to 1 by x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 divided by x cube. This is x cube, and put, therefore, I can be written as integral 1 by 3 to 1. We have, instead of this we can write this as 1 by x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 divided by x cube into dx. So, the entire term in the simplest form we can write this as 1 by x square minus 1 divided by x cube. Now, we need substitution. So, put t equal to 1 by x square minus 1. So, differentiating dt equal to 2 by x cube. So, into dx, or 1 by 2 dt equal to 1 by x cube into dx. So, first substitute for this variable, that is this function 1 by x square minus 1. So t means 1 by x square minus 1, differentiating dt equal to 1 by x square means minus, I am sorry, minus 2 by x cube into dx. So minus 1 by 2 dt equal to 1 by x cube into dx. Also change the limit, this is x, this is t. For the x, the lower limit is 1 by 3 and the upper limit is 1. Now if you apply the limit 1 by 3 means, that is 1 by x square means 1 by 9 minus 1. So the numerator become 9 minus 1, 8. So t will become 8 and substitute the lower limit, that is 1. 1 means 1 square 1, 1 by 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So the limit equal to, this is equal to integral 8 to 0, 8 to 0, and the first part, this is 1 by x square minus 1 equal to t. So this is t power 1 by 3, and this 1 by x cube into dx can be written as minus 1 by 2 into dt. So this is the simplest form. Once again look at here and don't be confused. This will be minus 1 by 2 into, integrating this one, we have t power 1 by 3 plus 1 means t power 4 by 3, and reciprocally it is 3 by 4 into t power 4 by 3 and 8 to 0. Now we can write the, compute the value for this function. This is equal to minus 1 by 2, upper limit 0 means everything 0, minus lower limit means 3 by 4 into, substitute t. So t means t power 4 by 3, t means 8 power 4 by 3. So this is equal to minus into minus plus, that is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 8 cube equal to 2 power 4 is 16. So this is 4 times, this is 2 times, 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 6. I think the option is A. Option A is the correct answer. Next question number 10. F of x equal to integral 0 to x t into sin t into dt. To find this f dash of x, first let us compute the f of x, then we will find f dash of x. Now this is in the form of integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Now take u equal to t and du equal to sin t dt. Du means dt and u means minus cos t. So integrating we have minus cos t. Now f of x equal to, first uv means minus t cos t, uv minus t cos t, this is 0 to x, and minus integral 0 to x v du. V means minus cos t, minus into minus plus cos t, and du means dt. This is equal to minus t cos t 0 to x plus integrating cos t we have sin t 0 to x. Now here the upper limit is t means 0 means 0, x minus x, cos t means cos x, and lower limit is 0 means everything 0, and upper limit is minus x cos x, and the lower limit is 0, plus here the upper limit is x, that is sin x, and the lower limit is 0. So this is what f of x. So f of x equal to minus x cos x plus sin x. We need to find f dash of x. Now f dash of x, f dash of x equal to, that is minus x into cos x becomes minus sin x, and cos x into minus 1, that is cos x into minus 1, and plus sin x, differentiating sin x, it will become cos x. This is equal to minus into minus plus x sin x and minus cos x plus cos x. So this is equal to x sin x. So the answer is x sin x. The answer option is B. So option B. So this is the correct answer.